Hey there, Texans. Let's talk about what's included in the Texan estate plan. Our Texan estate plan is a revocable living trust plan. It is designed to help you avoid probate court in the event you are incapacitated and someday when you pass away. It's revocable, so you retain the right to make changes to your planning documents. As your life changes, your documents can be updated easily through our website. The trust is a living trust. This means you establish it while you're alive and you fund it with your assets. So what does that mean? A trust is literally a contract that you are making with the person that's going to manage the assets and distribute them. While you are alive, you are the one to manage. You are the trustee of your trust. In the event you become incapacitated, you can name alternates to step up and manage your money for you and make sure your distributions are made. At your passing, if you have any children under the age of 21, the trustee will manage the money for them and make sure they get their college paid for, their living expenses paid for, health care. That way they don't spend the money frivolously. You've got a more experienced adult to help them with their finances. Now, a revocable living trust only avoids probate court if you transfer your assets to yourself as trustee of this trust. And we give you a bunch of resources for how to do that. We've got written articles, I've got videos talking about it, and you can even email us with questions if you'd like. But if you're not ready to move assets into your trust, that's okay. You can still do our Texan estate plan and use the will to fund the trust after you pass away. Now, this is easier because you don't have to align your assets with the trust while you're alive, but a will has to be probated to be valid. Our pour-over will is designed to transfer assets to the trust that are in your individual name when you pass away. Texas law requires that wills be filed and probated in order to give your executor that authority. So you can avoid probate court by using the trust and funding it with your assets. But if you're not ready to do that, you can still put together a really good estate plan and just have your will go through the probate court after you pass away. To plan for disability, we also include power of attorney documents. We include a statutory durable power of attorney, which is your financial power of attorney. You can delegate financial management authority to someone who can make sure your bills get paid in the event you're stuck in the nursing home or you've got Alzheimer's and you're not able to manage your own finances. We have a medical power of attorney. Somebody can make medical decisions for you if you're unable to do so yourself. So if you're in a surgery and the doctor comes out and says, hey, we discovered something, what should we do? Your medical power of attorney agent can make that decision for you. We include a HIPAA authorization. This ensures your medical agents can talk to your doctors and view your medical records. We include a directive to physicians, family, or surrogates, otherwise known as the living will. This lets you make important decisions about whether or not you want life support in the future. We include a declaration of guardian for you. If you become incapacitated and there's a need to have a guardian appointed, this says that you want it to be the same people in the rest of your estate planning documents. If you have children under the age of 18, we will also include a declaration of guardian for minor children. This ensures the right people take care of your children for you if you're not able to do it yourself. So our Texan estate plan is designed to be very comprehensive. It can avoid probate court if you choose to use it that way. It can go through probate if you're not ready to fund assets into the trust. But regardless, we've got a great plan for distributing your assets upon your death and also delegating decision-making authority for you if you're incapacitated. So don't delay any longer. Click the red button to start planning now and do your estate planning the Texan way.